Good morning, everybody. It is an absolutely terrible morning out here. It's like 27 degrees. We're pouring concrete anyway. We got the truck here, top of the hill. See this path worn in. We got a mud buggy here. We gotta go all the way behind this house. We couldn't get down in here, which sucks. Yeah, so we're taking this thing all the way down, back to the backyard. Coming around the backside here into our forms. I built this wall a couple days ago. Got her all nice curved wall, and we are starting our pour back in the corner by this man door. One mud buggy at a time. Taking forever, but it's cold. My feet are cold, my hands are cold, Ben's cold. We're filling up the curved wall I built the other day. Look at that pretty thing. Gosh, that's gonna look good. So, I left this open. Started going around that way we can get the mud buggy in here, because we filled this out, he'd get stuck, couldn't get this filled in. So going around there, gonna pull it, coming this way, pull this back down, and come back out right here. So getting her done a little bit at a time. Woo-hoo-hoo. Something cool. So all I have to do is mag behind my screed. That's it, because they're gonna put flagstone on this the next spring. Over there, I'm gonna stone that whole retaining wall and put caps on it, flagstone base, and then veneer that wall as well with some caps. So this is gonna be one of the first projects for the new year. Alrighty, we're about halfway done. Got that big section done, and I got this starting to fill in. Going over to my height mark over there. So moving along nice and slow, one mud buggy at a time. Well, we're almost done. Ran short of concrete a little bit, but another truck's on the way, so we'll be done with this in a minute. So far so good. Kind of sucks. I mean, it's literally 2 buggies. It's all we needed. You can get out of this freezing cold weather. My toes hurt, fingers hurt. No fun. Truck's here and we are ready to roll. Got her all poured, screeded, magged, and it is ready for flagstone, ready for the veneer and the caps. So I'm gonna be here I'm not gonna be here till April. Right now it's November. So in April I'll come back and do all that. I'll be here for at least 2 months next year. Good project to start the year. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for what's next.